In this video, I'll show you how to use Claude AI for lesson plans. This is a simple way to quickly create structured teaching materials for different topics. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you today?" Now I'll type a prompt asking Claude to create a lesson plan. For example, I might type, "Create a lesson plan about fractions for elementary students." After typing the prompt, I'll click the Send button. Claude will generate a lesson plan, usually including sections like objectives, materials, activities, and assessment. If I want a more detailed lesson plan, I can include more information in my prompt, such as the grade level, subject, or duration. For example, I might type, "Create a 45-minute lesson plan about fractions for elementary students." Claude can also help add examples, exercises, or quizzes to support the lesson. Once the lesson plan is ready, I can copy the content and use it for teaching or classroom preparation. And that's it. I've successfully used Claude AI to create a lesson plan. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.